How to know if a woman is attracted to you or not.
I'm going to give you 10 signs, clear signs, whether you should make a move or you shouldn't. And this will eliminate time wasters and rejection. Studies have shown that it takes a millisecond for a person to decide whether they're attracted to the person or not. So it happens really, really fast. The brain can determine in a matter of milliseconds if a person is attracted to a new face they view. And the medial prefrontal cortex, a part of the brain that has been linked to amorous decision making, is responsible. So blame it on the prefrontal cortex. It's the prefrontal cortex. Blame it on that one. Don't blame it on anyone else.